Yes, hello guys, welcome back to today's episode. And today's episode is day 57. Our chicks have made 57 days. And besides all that, today we're going to be talking about how to be successful in poultry farming. Guys, I told you it was a commitment from me. I don't need any pay, but I just promised myself and to you people, the ones who are following me, that I will always be sharing with you anything I learn, any kind of challenge I meet, and how I've solved it. So, and this is a commitment that I will keep on posting all along on this channel, meaning that for you, you'll be getting first-hand information all the time. You'll be getting to know the things that I'm going through, and then to be easier for you guys to also learn them, such that when you start, and for those who haven't started, and for those who have started yet but you haven't come across this kind of challenges, you get to learn them as well. Because as I told you, in this world, this is a learning process. We keep on learning, and we don't stop learning. So today we're going to talk about how possible can we be successful. You see, we have been talking about how to start, what are the necessities, what do you need to be with. I think most of the past episodes, that's what we've been talking about. But this time around, we want to look at how can we be successful. And in doing this, today I wanted us, actually I will be talking about this topic for a little while, because I've seen there are so many things that you need to really consider if you really want to be successful in this. So there are small things, but you need to consider them. Today I will begin with buy vaccinated chicks. You see, it's very important when you buy vaccinated chicks, most especially from the first doses of the chicks that they get. I mean these commercial chicks, these commercial chickens. Yes, so buy vaccinated chicks. Even if it's kienyeji, yes, I believe also if you buy them from a commendable farmer, it is also very good that you ask them whether they have vaccinated them. It's very important for them to be vaccinated. Such it makes your work easier. You get it, and you really don't suffer a lot with issues of vaccinating. You don't know which one was vaccinated and which one wasn't vaccinated. You get it. And the other thing you also need to consider is keep an eye on these birds. See guys, I told you from the beginning, and I will never stop saying this till it gets inside your understanding, that it is very important you to be there and do your work. See all these things I'm telling you, you can't just give them to workers, unless they're professionals. It still doesn't carry away your consciousness. Doesn't mean that you should sleep away on your job, because for you have hired an expert yet in this. So guys, as in doing this, it's very important that you should always consider spotting chicks all the time. Which one has no energy? What is the problem? Which one is trying to be dizzy? What could be the issue? Try asking yourself such kind of questions. It will help you to answer all the problems you're facing on your farm. And then the other thing is also separate them. Separate if there is a funny chick. So these are principles that you don't need to really just do away without. These are principles, and they are important and very important in regards to taking care of these chicks. So please, as well you're doing this, make sure that you spot the diseased chick or maybe any kind of infected chick. Separate it and isolate it in an isolation kind of way, as the way how they used to isolate COVID patients. Please also do that, so that it becomes easier for you to get the best out of what you're doing. Then the other thing is also mind about where they are. That's just another big thing. Mind about where they are, how do they sleep. I mean, be concerned. Don't just give them food and just go and say, I'm done that side. Let me go to other projects. Yes, I know we are running so many projects. I personally also have other small projects I'm having. I'm still building them. So, but it doesn't, I really give much of my time here, so that I get the results, so that I learn all the things, so that I know how to do away with these principles, to make sure that at least I know if there is this issue, I can handle it like this. If there is this issue, I can handle it like this. So, remember, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Mainly the main things I wanted to tell you, these are the principles you should put in your mind. 1, buy vaccinated chicks. 2, buy them from a recommended company. You see, you don't just go and buy from anywhere because everyone is telling you have this. They will give you fake breeds. You come and feed and they fail to grow. Or you come and you feed them and they start dying mysteriously because someone has not vaccinated. So buy from a recommendable farm or a recommendable company that supplies where people purchase these birds. 3, always keep spotting. Spot your chicks. See which one is not doing well, and see the way how you can support it. If it's maybe sickness and you see you're confused, you don't understand what could be the issue, isolate it. Then find a way of treating it. Then also make sure that the environment where they are, you understand it. Learn how they sleep. Learn how they rest. Make sure that they have a very good environment for them. It's not so lazy, such that they can grow very well, because these are peaceful birds. And they need your environment that should be very good. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for sharing our videos, and please keep sharing them. Share with your friends, share with your colleagues at work or anywhere you are. Then this helps our people to also learn, because you may not reach everyone to teach him what you've learned on this channel, but you can recommend them the channel, such that they also listen in they themselves. Then you can also subscribe. Members, please subscribe to our channel. We want to really grow our community. This is one way of also supporting me and supporting our community and supporting my channel as well, and also supporting the farm. Thank you very much.